bullpen, 6 righties, 5 pitchers in 1 inning.
Gomez with a fly ball to center. Ellsbury has a beat on it. Well, it just doesn't make sense to play crucial September games under entirely different conditions than the bulk of the season has been played. And in theory, although, as you say, most managers may observe a certain gentleman's agreement, you could have 5 pinch runners, right? You could have 6 left-handers. It just doesn't make any sense. Wait a minute, what's going on here? Gomez is a very volatile guy. Not clear to me. I was glancing at you and away from the field for a second.
Well,
and somebody's fuse burnt down.
I think the catcher, Murphy, he was probably taking exception to Gomez yelling at himself for missing a pitch. And he's probably like, look, the score's 9-0. You know, we get a chance, we'll be able to hear, you know, maybe the disgust of Gomez. He is an emotional player. I'm sure he didn't mean any disrespect with Murphy not wanting to hear much of it. That's my guess of what happened when he just missed that pitch and flew out.
So the dugout's empty, the bullpen's empty. Let's see. Did Gomez's backswing clip Murphy? I'm not saying it did, but we may want to take a look at that.
I think the dugouts haven't given him the same thing about, you know, let it go. Don't need this. 9-0.
Gomez is not a guy you want to provoke because it doesn't take much. Well, Girardi was giving it to him, and he's among the first out of the dugout. It doesn't take all that much to set Carlos off. He's had a couple of suspensions in his past for altercations, and as you said, John,